Okay, today we're going to do the activity Technology Pioneer in Google Docs. This assignment will be in, you'll turn it in through Google Classroom, but you're creating a new document in Google Drive. There are many teachers that don't put everything through Google Classroom, so I want to show you how to create something from scratch in Google Drive. So, first you have to make sure that you're signed into Google Drive, number one. So I am signed in. If I come over here, I can tell that's me. And if you need to sign in, you can sign in through your mail, or you can hit the square of squares and hit Drive and sign in that way. So I'm already signed in, so I'm going to click Drive. Now go on up to the word New. You're going to click New, and you're going to choose Google Docs. We want a brand new Google Docs, a blank one. So we've done step 2. We've created a document. It says click into the Untitled document box to bring up the rename document. So we're going to just rename it, and I want it to be your last name and your first name and Tech Pioneer. So there are some teachers that have you, wow, I'm bad at spelling. Some teachers have you create your own, so that's how you would need to label it some way, any way they would say. So next, go to the Insert menu and choose Drawing. So we haven't used this before. We're going to go up to Insert and down to Drawing. And it says select the Word Art option. So we're going to wait till it comes up. So under Actions, go down to Word Art. In the text box, type the name of a technology pioneer. I'm going to choose Bill Gates. Whoops. But you can choose whatever you'd like, as long as they're a tech pioneer. Okay, next change the font from Georgia. We're on step 7 in the font menu. So I'm going to scroll down, and it shows me how to do that. I'm going to go up here, and I'm going to go down to Georgia. And then I'm on step 8. Now you'll change the color of your word art. Click the Fill Color button and choose the color of your choice. Okay, so I'm going to go up to the paint bucket, and I guess I'll choose orange. I like orange. And then it says, next use the line color to change the color of the line to the same color that you used for the fill. So we don't want any, we just want it to be all the same color. There we go, because we're going to do something else about it. Step 10 says, your word art is now ready to be inserted into your document. Click Save and Close. So there it is. Okay, let's go on to step 11. Okay, step 11 says the word art should now appear in your document, which it does. You may need to make it smaller to fit within the boundaries. So if you need to change the size of it, you just can move it around like that. Ours is a pretty good size. Bill Gates is not a big name. So if you need to make it smaller, you can. Then it says put your cursor after the name, which our name is Bill Gates, and click Enter for a new line. So you need to do this because when you do the next step, if you don't, it doesn't work out. So make sure it's on a new line. Then it says, now return to the Insert menu and choose Drawing again. And now it says select the text box. So we're going to go here. And number 13 says draw a text box that is 13 grid square high and 38 grid square wide. So I'm going to take it down 3. Okay, so there's mine. It looks pretty good. I'm going to then, number 14 says type tech pioneer in the box. So I'm going to type the word tech, or technology, I should say, pioneer in the text box. Number 15, this is a long one. It says next use the text color menu to change the color of the text to light gray. You may need to use the More button to find it. So, but ours isn't. I'm going to select it and go up to the A here, and there's the text, and let's change it to a light gray. Then still in number 15, it says, with the text still selected, select center align and vertical align. So we're going to make sure that it's in the middle of this box. So we definitely need the more button this time. And we're going to go all the way over here. It's the align button. And this is the center align. We've used that before. And then also we're going to vertical align. This means it's going to be right in the middle. So this one is at the top, and this one is the middle, and the other one's the bottom. So I'm going to click there, and it kind of pops right into the middle. So that looks good. Now let's go down to number 16. It says, now change the line and fill colors to the same color you used in your word art. So I'm going to go up here and change my fill color to orange. And I'm also going to change the line color to orange so that it's all one. And it says, now click Save and Close to insert your text box. I'm going to click Save and Close. Now it went below it. If it popped in and your Bill Gates went away, it was because you didn't put your cursor below the word Bill Gates up here on step 11. So you're going to have to go back and start at 11. So now let's go to number 18. It says click the box with the text and use the center align button. So we're going to go right here, and we're going to go up here to the center align and center align it. And we should have Bill Gates center align too. Maybe I missed that. There. So now they're both center aligned.